Here is a pleasure. Largely, the idea is to ensure that the focus of the company, applying thought, thinking, gets permeated down to various levels, is a challenge that we want to undertake year on year. It helps in ushering in a culture of technology and culture of building differentiation, and also helps figure out what are the technologies where we need to elevate ourselves when it comes to application of these technologies to the customers that we service. So keeping this in mind, the process has been designed in a manner that it addresses the real requirements that our customers have. It involves various stakeholders in the organization so that they learn through the process. It also keeps in mind that it gives us more than enough opportunities to experiment with technologies. And at the end of it, it also gives us an opportunity to create artifacts which will be a demonstrator of our intent to keep ourselves invested in technology. So we start with enabling our engineers through different ranks to contribute with what we call, or everybody calls, blue sky thinking. So allowing them to think on a campus which is, or on a canvas which is very broad. So we don't apply any great filters in terms of the ideas that they come out with. That's reveries. I have an idea. I think this is what technology can do. This is the field I work in. Why don't we look at how can we make use of this technology as we do business with our customers? So that's reveries. Daily challenges in different type of projects, different type of use cases, where customers throw problems at us. That's tech expression, where customers pose problems or we believe that these are roadblocks, and people come up, we encourage people, engineers, as I said, across the levels, and say, look, I think this is a problem and it can be solved in this particular manner, or I think the way we are solving a problem is not good enough. Can this be an alternate mechanism? So that's the second part. That's the second platform that we have. The third platform that we have is applicability of new technologies to actual domains that we serve or actual industries that we serve, and that's a process of hackathon, and this time the theme was AI hackathon. So we run this through the year, time it with, give it enough appropriate time window, 5 weeks or 6 weeks, and sometimes wherever you have to build demonstrators, it could be 8 weeks or 12 weeks, and so on and so forth. So we start with reveries, 6 to 8 weeks. We kick off in the month of May, in the month of June, followed with tech expression, which takes about 4 to 5 months, and then a hackathon, which will take another 4 to 5 months, and then it culminates in showcasing these exhibits to everybody, including our customers, as you are seeing today. But the other angle to this entire process is, how do we differentiate and identify people across levels? So we look at ideas coming from different maturity levels or different experience levels of people as well. So the programs are designed to cater to freshers, to middle management, to senior folks, and even to a leadership across these domains. So technically speaking, a person or an engineer who has a vague idea or a wild idea in reveries can end up taking that ideas, converting into a full-fledged solution, which is tech expression, and can even improvise it by applying new age technologies like AI hackathon and end up demonstrating something that we can go take to the customer. So that is the process and the timeline that we follow. 2 caveats. One is that whatever we do out to be validated by customers at a certain point in time, where we have to reach out to customers and request customers for mentorship. Number 2, you have to bring in the perspective of a business use case and return on investment. That's a very important part in qualifying applicability of technology. So this is the 2 overarching themes, runs like this over a period of 8 to 10 months.
And we kept, it's a very long process. Again, Ashish's team runs that very long process, culminates into the finalists who you see here, but I think 30 finalists are here, who showcase what they have created. Now they have to create stuff. It's not just theory. This is stuff that they have to create. Of course, they use whatever props, whatever the university provides. We also support them as well. In that case, the mentors typically are the faculty members. Because you have the mentor thing. The faculty members in this institute